heading up to a site tonight that's off-grid. So in preparation I decided I would have a shower, put my face on so I looked half decent, but actually it's all slid off my face already because I'm sweating so much, which is just lush. What's the temperature out there now? 30 degrees? Something like that.
Degrees.
Ridiculous. It's lovely, just doesn't feel like pleasant. Really, is it? It's nice to see the sun, but to have the sweaty toes and eyelids constantly isn't the best. But anyway, we're going off-grid tonight for the first time, so I was a bit nervous. I thought I'd get myself all tidy, didn't have to worry about hair straighteners and all of that jazz. So if tomorrow when I come back on I'm looking a little bit like my hair's humidified out here, then you're just going to have to excuse that, I'm afraid. It is what it is. But the plan is to go to the North Wales Route 66, so I'm going to do the whole of Wales if we can. I'm going to stop each night. Where's the starting point, love? Is it Flint?
Yeah, so we're not staying there tonight. We're going up to Tewkesbury tonight just to get us a little bit on route. And then, yeah, the starting point is at Flint in Flintshire. We're then going to go across the top North Road west to, I think it's Coolpethley. So we've got a nice coastal drive there.
So I'm going to be making them stop at loads of cafes, beaches and just anything exciting really, so I can have a good look about. It's not really something we're used to doing. You normally park up our caravan, wouldn't we, and we'd stay on that particular site and wander off in a car somewhere. But you know, it's a whole new experience for us. So yeah, we're basically going to take the vlogging camera everywhere, and we'll just see what footage we can get for you, and hopefully put together a semi-decent vlog. So yeah, we'll see you in a bit. We've got about a 2-hour drive, I think, haven't we?
Yeah, just like that.
Yeah. So yeah, see you in a bit.
Hello.
Check out this lovely little site.
It's not bad.
So literally just us and a river. Oh, and a couple of people way down there. It's looking pretty nice, isn't it? Exactly what we need when we've got 3 rowdy kids. Oh.
That's it. Keep them quiet.
Yeah.
I've just got insect repellent in my eye.
I think it's really nice. I'm gonna put the chairs by there, right next to the river, so you can see the sunset then, look.
Yeah. So I spin this around and they can take a better look.
Yeah.
So we've not long parked up and we realised we ain't got no water. So we're going to take a little walk and see if we can find a shop.
Oh really? So
Yeah.
that sounds like it's going to be a long walk, because I was expecting to sit down in front of the sunshine by there and the river and have a glass of wine.
Yeah, 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
Come on, let's go.
It's going to be a long night. Just found the kidlets. I make that sound like I've lost them. I haven't lost them. I knew they were up ahead a little bit, but they look like they found a little outlet.
Now they found a swan.
Oh, look at that. Don't touch it though, they can be quite nasty. Like your mother. Hold on, let's go and have a little nosy at the swan. What's over by there then? It's a little waterfall.
And
Was it like a dam thing?
is this one there?
Granny, isn't it? What are they called?
Have you got some boats up by there?
Yeah.
Probably a canal.
you know what? For £10 a night, or £15.
It was £11 for the night.
£11 for the night?
Yeah.
Okay, granted, we haven't got any electric. But, you know, we've got a full battery. I charged everything up before we came. I think the worst thing that's going to happen is some frizzy hair in the morning. I won't have been able to sort myself out. But otherwise, pretty good. So yeah, you can see some... Ouch! Stingy nettles. I've just stood in loads of stingy nettles.
What's
Dock,
the stingies,
dock
Amelia?
leaf.
The stingies.
Don't go through there, love. Go up this bit on the brown bit because I've just got stingies all over my foot. Yeah, she's struggling up the stingies. Oof, that is stinging. Anyone got a dock leaf? That sunset is going to be very pretty tonight. But yeah, I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 others on the pitch. Well, site. Sorry, I don't know why I said pitch. 6 others on the site. But if I turn that around, you can see just how much space there is between everybody. This is the top field. This is where we are. And that's our little Sheila over there. Right next to the river. And we've got all that space to ourselves tonight by the looks of it.
Mum, look.
For 11 quid. And Dexter's found something. What's that, Dex?
Something off a tree.
Oh, bit of bark. Lovely. Come on then, let's get walking, is it?
It looks like a sword.
Yeah, we'll just make sure you don't upset anybody. Amelia's in full-on wind-up mode tonight. Since we left and jumped on the motorway, all she's done is sing her head off, which is nice, but the little bit of squealing in between when the boys are trying to wind her up hasn't been pleasant. So yeah, we'll see you in a bit. Looks like we're crossing this barge. Oh my god. To say I'm nervous is an understatement because that is like walking the tightrope.
I'm going to hold on just in case.
I mean, look at that. So I'll try my best to record this as I'm going over, but it's not looking good. It's got a tiny little railing. Oh my god. Yeah. Genuinely feel like...
No, I just live here, but if you go down there and turn to the right, you can walk all the way down. There's some weirs and stuff you can walk over the top of. Oh yeah. Is there somewhere a little local shop that would be open now? In the village. That's, yeah, straight up the top. What time that closes? Probably closed by now.
Kids, wait please.
That's scary.
Yeah, that
Closest to here would be
literally scared me.
No, I'm not yet. Van's set up. No, I'm not driving.
But yeah, we're discovering new things all the time.
There's some signs on the side.
What I eat when I'm playing. Look how far I can kick this, Dad. Look at this. This is gonna be dumb. No, it's dumb. Just like you. Dad, can we go there again and see if they...
Good morning. So I'm outside having my cup of coffee, which is quite nice. Not really Costa though, or Starbucks, but it's one of them cheap packet ones. But anyway, I'm a bit in the doghouse. I've already broken something on the van, and the man's not very happy with me. I did try and make it up to him. I've cleaned the van this morning and I've made him a bacon bap, but he said we've got to go buy him some of the hair bits this morning already. I'm not laughing, he was really cross with me. But the kids were being a little bit wild at bedtime last night. So I think everybody felt a little bit tired and a little bit fed up because of the heat. So something minor turned into a big moody moment for us all. We just went into ignore mode for about an hour. We don't really row, we just ignore. So I think he's coming around, he's warming. He's in the van now. So we're going to head up to Flint this morning after we do our stopover at Tesco's to get a repair kit for the net I broke. And then hopefully that'll be fixed and forgotten about. See you in a bit. So we've been back on the road this morning. We left the site down in... Where were we this morning? I can't remember.
It's just down Tewkesbury.
Tewkesbury, yeah. That was the one with the little fishing canal next to it, which was a nice surprise. So we're just now, I think, pulling up. We're about a mile away, I think, from the next site. That's Chester. So we're pulling in here because tomorrow we're going to start the Route 66 for Wales. So I'm going to go around all the top and down the west and then back down the south again. So we thought we'd try these couple of sites as little cheeky stopovers really, and just give the kids something to do, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was to break the drive up as well.
And you don't like all the little piddly roads, so we've done all motorway mostly up here. Get all the worst bit out of the way to get to the north, isn't it? And then we can enjoy all the scenic stuff then all the way round. So you in a better mood now?
I'm good, I'm golden.
Last night he was in a proper mood with me because I broke his motorhome. So
Charlene did.
I've grovelled this morning. I've had to make a bacon bath, clean the van, buy some treats when we stopped off at Tesco's earlier to get some little nibbles. Oh, and then you got your sewing kit, didn't you? So you could repair the damage.
It's basically where the kids sleep up on the top bunk, there's like a safety net so they don't fall out of it. And there's like 3 straps that clip onto like little discs on the ceiling. And yeah, Charles managed to break one of them, so the one side wasn't protected.
Yeah, we had threats of being taken home. We weren't allowed in his motorhome anymore.
I didn't say that.
We may as well have. Went to pull the bed out last night, so I said, oh, can you check the bed, make sure it's safe? And he was like, nah, don't be ridiculous, you're being ridiculous. So at one point we nearly ended up sleeping on each side of the motorhome lounge because it was a bit of a stalemate going on who was going to make the bed.
I did throw my toys out.
Yeah.
It's annoying.
And I did still feel bad this morning, hence the bacon bath. After I cleaned it, I proper fried it as well. We've got one of them monkey grill things. What do you call them?
Ridge monkey.
Oh, ridge monkey. We've got one of them. But I don't find them that great for cooking bacon. It's like all the juices and fats just gather in the bottom and make it soggy. So I proper fried it for you. Took the time. But he looks alright. He's smiling.
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, he's alright. He's alright now. I'm forgiven. Brilliant. So I'll try not to do any more damage to the van.
That was actually the second thing you damaged.
Destination after 400 yards.
You broke the top compartment of the fridge.
Oh, yeah, I did do that. Yeah. That was last week. We'd only had it a day. That was because you put the stupid beer.
Charlene did.
You put beer
Charlene in something is a thing.
You put beer or something on it.
Right,
anyway,
there we are.
I think we're just pulling up to the site. So I'm just going to flick this around so you can have a look where we are.
I think. Yeah.
I think I'm going to do it that way. Hang on. So just pulling into the site now. Manor. I'm not sure. I saw a sign behind us to go to reception, but it's only a small site.
Oh no. What's that?
Don't know what that is.
Toilets and no.
Oh no, actually it's a bit bigger than it looks. It looks like it goes on the back of that hut thing as well.
Let me reverse back up here. The drinking water's right there, so I'll be filling up to there.
Yeah. I think you need to go all the way back. There's the sign there, look.
Yeah. I think I'll go see if there's like a reception.
There's
somewhere.
a butcher's here.
Is there really?
Yeah, it says cafe shop.
Yes, you can, mate.
There's cafe shop and butcher's there.
Alright, let me go and...
Go and have a recce and see what's what.
See if I can find them. Oh, gosh. Yeah, farm shop probably. Hello! We're here!
managed to keep all the cupboards closed this time. We were driving along the other day and all the cupboards just popped open because I hadn't secured it properly. I've got a lot of learning to do on this motorhome malarkey. Anyway, he's gone off now to find reception and get us on some sort of pitch. They all look like one of those side-by-side type ones here. So it looks like I'm going to have to behave myself and be quiet. But yeah, we'll see you in a bit.